Hi, it's Holland and Holland. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you. For those of you who may be looking for some holiday hair, this hair was only $92 on Amazon. It's by Yavve. Yeah. So it comes in a cute box, cute white box. And I have a 16-inch closure, then 3 bundles in 18, 20, and 22. Here is the closure. It's nice. It's not too thick, easy to pluck the hairline and bleach the knots. I actually worked with this hair before. Got your 18-inch, your 20-inch, and your 22-inch all in body wave. A friend of mine, she got this hair back in November and I made it a wig for her, and she is still wearing the hair. She co-washes it. I have done a curl wand on the hair. The hair takes heat, holds a curl really well, and that's why I purchased the hair again. I'm going to make a wig for another friend. Let's see. So this is the 18-inch here. There's a slight chemical smell, but once you co-wash the hair, that smell goes away. Let's see, is there any shedding?
Mommy, don't take off his pants.
Okay, Mom's recording. So there's no shedding. And I remember when I was working with the other bundles by Yavve, there was very minimal shedding, so I was very impressed. There you go. This video is not sponsored. My friend bought this hair with her own money. It was not given to her. But if you want a nice body wave for the holidays, for the new year, I got it off of Amazon.com. I will provide a link in my description box. This is Yavve hair. Oh, and I will do a video on how I make the wig.